In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT 5 to build insane financial models. First things first, let's get started by accessing the tool we'll be using today. Open your web browser and head over to Google. While this step might sound overly simple, it ensures that you have access to the latest and most reliable version of ChatGPT 5 by checking directly from the search results. Now, in the search bar, type in ChatGPT and press Enter. You should find the official ChatGPT website within the top results. Clicking on this link will take you to the platform where all the magic happens. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, it's time to begin interacting with the AI. In the text input field, you can type a prompt to direct ChatGPT on what you need. Here's a useful example to start with. Imagine asking ChatGPT to act as the CFO for a SaaS company and develop a comprehensive 5-year strategic plan. This can include different scenarios, such as a base case and an expansion into the US market. When your prompt is ready, click on the Submit button. This step allows ChatGPT to process your request and begin generating the output based on the input you provided. You'll find that ChatGPT can offer insightful projections, assumptions, and strategies that can be fleshed out further as you refine your model. Moving forward, there's a powerful feature that can supercharge your financial model, incorporating existing data. Start by heading to the search bar within the ChatGPT interface. Then look for options linked to your task. You'll notice a plus sign available in the menu. Clicking this is your gateway to adding more resources or enhancing your input data. If you have existing financial statements or related files, you can drag and drop these right into the system. Use the Add Photos and Files feature available after clicking the plus sign. This feature allows you to upload essential documents that your AI-generated model can analyze and adapt. Select your financial statement file and ensure it's uploaded correctly. This data serves as the foundation upon which ChatGPT can build and refine your model, creating a more precise and custom fit for your business needs. With your files loaded, type another prompt. This time, consider how the AI can integrate your existing data to polish the model further, drawing connections and insights from directly within your financial records. Finally, hit Submit again to see your full financial model come to life. The integration of your real data and ChatGPT 5's processing power will provide you with a dynamic and insightful financial model ready for analysis and adaptation. That's all it takes. By following these instructions, you're well on your way to leveraging AI for enhanced financial modeling,